In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your gift card balance is ready to use on your next purchase. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, sign into your Amazon account so the balance can be added to the right place. If your card is for a specific country, make sure you're on that country's Amazon site before you continue. On the home page, look toward the top right corner for Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over it, then click to open your account options. If you're on a smaller screen, you might see it as a menu. Either way, you're heading into your account area. Inside your account, find and select Gift Cards. This takes you to the section that manages your gift card balance, where you can see what you've redeemed in the past and add a new one. Next, click Redeem a Gift Card. This opens the redemption page where you'll enter your code. Now locate your claim code. If you have a physical card, it's usually on the back under a scratch-off coating. Scratch gently so you don't damage the code. If your gift card was emailed to you, open that message and look for the claim code there. Don't share this code with anyone. It works like cash for your account. Type the claim code into the box exactly as it appears. Hyphens are usually optional, but it's fine to include them. Double-check characters that look similar, like the number 0 and the letter O. Take a moment to be precise here. It prevents errors later. When you're ready, click Apply to your balance. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and your Amazon gift card balance will update immediately. That amount will be used automatically on eligible purchases at checkout, and you can always review your balance in the same gift card section. You can redeem more than one card, and the amounts will stack. If you run into an error, confirm that you're on the correct regional Amazon site and that the code was entered correctly. If the code is unreadable or shows as already redeemed, reach out to Amazon customer support for help. Keep in mind that gift card funds are generally non-transferable and non-refundable once applied. That's it. You've redeemed your Amazon gift card and added it to your balance. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shopping.